Hi, I am Radhika Kulkarni. I completed my MCA and working as a computer science teacher in the junior college. As the last year lockdown has started, I lost my job. So I just thinking that I want to start something new by that I can satisfy myself. So as searching on the social media on the YouTube, I got to that one of the video of kids Inteligence in that Abacus classes and all are there. So immediately I contacted to Shubhada ma'am. They explained me very well that what to do, what are the benefits of this, and how in part time by managing all things we can do our work and all these things. So I joined Smart Abacus classes training. In that training, we have not just only learned the abacus sessions and all the things like marketing skills and how to start your new business, etc. Many things we have in that sessions we have learned online only. So then afterwards I started my then I became the Expert Abacus Teacher, and now I am one of the member of Kids Intelligence, and I am very happy to tell you that within a month only I got 30 new admissions, and with that I am started my 2 or 3 batches in this month. So thank you Shabada ma'am, and thank you Kids Intelligence team.